Guys, makamis ever, ito po ang Cathedral ng San Pedro, Cathedral Church. Ayan. At dito naman tayo sa areang Davao City. May i-interview natin guys, si Chika Ding.
Hello, good morning.
Ayan.
Good morning, Miss Everywhere.
Chika Ding, nandito naman tayo sa Rizal Park. Ano mo, yung nafe-feel mo yung matagal na hindi ka nakapunta dito, Chika Ding?
Well, it's totally a big aura, a totally big different na. It's improving. Davao City is really improving. The peace and order situation is very good.
Yeah. Tapos, Chika Ding, may i-interview pa sa'yo, yung kaunting slight na interview. Sa yung bata ka pa, Chika Ding, saan ka dito, yung naggala-gala? Ayan.
Well, this is my city, so I am very familiar with my city. I've been going around the different corners of my city. And to be specific, where we are right now is
Yan guys.
San Pedro.
Yes, ito po yung Rizal Park. Near lang po sa San Pedro Cathedral at may mga agila dito na yung stage. Yes, ayan po yung agila. Ayan, ang laki po ng agila mga ka-guys. Ayan, mga people here in Rizal Park. Yan po yung lumang munisipyo. Yan. At saka yung Rizal Park. Ayan. At Santa Ana National High School. Ay, Santa Ana Magallanes pala. Sorry. Ayan guys. Sa ngayon, saan tayo pupunta? Is Chika Ding Tandem?
We're going to check everywhere while waiting for our documents to be done and notarized by our lawyer.
Okay. Ayan, susunod po tayo kay Chika Ding. Miss Everywhere.
Hi!
Ayan, ipakilala mo yung Rizal Park. Oh. Ayan mga ka-Miss Everywhere, nandito po si Chika Ding and
We love you so much.